and mine to shoot.
This
one's made, Corey, so the kick comes up.
You're gonna shoot it. Right?
A screwdriver. We put a screwdriver tip in it. First we did the knife.
Stand behind the tree line.
They do. They stand behind this. Send me on the.
Take the top off.
Send me on the stump. All right, ready?
Screwdriver goes into you, you're dead. We're gonna have another funeral. What's that? I don't want no more funerals. Ready?
Press that button real quick. Okay.
Alright, ready? Hold on. You got give him the field.
We have to get a high
That's good.
speed
Right in.
camera.
Real close for.
Dad,
Alright.
we have to get a high speed camera.
No, we're not leaving now. That's good.
We're not going yet. Well, other kids are staying with you. You and Mike.
You recording?
Yeah.
You always have to say that.
I've been.
When it's on video, and like you hear this guy, are you recording? And then something horribly wrong with that. Screwdriver didn't come off like I thought it was.
Molly, how cool would that be if I threw this and went,
It didn't go in as much as the other one did.
The other one went all the way through.
That's stuck in there, dude. I can't even budge that. I grab it.
No.
That's gonna stay there forever.